Transform your space with the Waykar 180 pints dehumidifier. Struggling with dampness in your home or workplace? Meet the Waykar Commercial Dehumidifier. Built to cover an impressive 7,000 square feet, it removes up to 180 pints of moisture daily, tackling basements, warehouses, and more with ease to maintain a dry, healthy environment. Equipped with 295 CFM airflow, this powerhouse eliminates moisture rapidly and effectively. Features like auto defrost and auto restart ensure seamless performance even during power outages or frosty conditions. Enjoy uninterrupted comfort. Move it anywhere with ease using semi-pneumatic wheels and a rigid handle. The built-in pump and included 9.84-foot hose simplify drainage, while the washable air filter ensures easy maintenance, keeping your space consistently fresh and clean. With a 4.3-star rating and hundreds of satisfied reviewers, the Waykar dehumidifier is praised for dependability, efficiency, and ease of use. Backed by warranties and lifetime support, you can purchase with confidence. Turn dryness into comfort today. Click the link in the description to explore more details and bring the smart solution home. Don't let moisture compromise your space. Act now for superior air quality.